Some woodworking tools look simple, but once you use the right one, you immediately feel the difference. A straighter cut, a cleaner hole, a better joint, or a smoother edge can save you time and make your project look much more professional. That is why today, we are looking at 20 useful woodworking tools for DIY users, carpenters, cabinet makers, hobby woodworkers, and anyone who wants better results in the workshop. Some of these tools help with cutting and drilling. Some are made for cabinet installation, routing, sanding, clamping, trimming, and finishing. And a few of them can make tricky jobs feel much easier. So let's get into the countdown. Number 20. Kreg PHJ 920 Pocket Hole Jig XL. This heavy-duty pocket hole jig is made for stronger joints in thicker wood. It is especially useful when you are working with 2x4 and 4x4 boards for projects like workbenches, outdoor furniture, framing, and larger shop builds. The hardened steel drill guides help keep the bit at the right angle, so your pocket holes come out cleaner and more consistent. It is designed for material from 1.5 inches to 3.5 inches thick, which gives it more strength than a regular pocket hole setup. For woodworkers who build bigger projects, this is a very practical jig to have in the shop. Number 19. Kreg KME 2685 Rib Cut Circular Saw Guide. This guide helps you make straighter cuts with a regular circular saw. If you often cut plywood, MDF, or long boards, you already know how easy it is for a freehand cut to drift offline. This tool gives your circular saw an edge guide, so you can cut with more control and better accuracy. The universal sled holds the saw in place, while the guide follows the edge of the material as you cut. For DIY users who do not have a table saw or anyone who wants cleaner sheet good cuts, this is a useful upgrade. Number 18. Kreg KM 4100 Crosscut Station. This tool gives circular saw users a more controlled way to make crosscuts and angled cuts. It is helpful when you want miter saw style accuracy, but you are working with a circular saw instead. The adjustable fences support cuts from 0 to 45 degrees, and the MDF base shows a clear curved line, so you can see where the blade will cut. The detachable support wings also help when cutting longer boards. For small workshops, job sites, and home DIY projects, this can make cross-cutting much easier and more accurate. Number 17. Kreg KHI Slide Drawer Slide Jig. This jig is made to make drawer slide installation less frustrating. Installing drawer slides can be tricky because everything needs to stay level, straight, and properly aligned. This tool helps hold the slide in position, so you are not trying to measure, balance, and screw at the same time. The indexing tabs help with alignment, and it works with different drawer slide styles, including undermount, ball bearing, and epoxy-coated slides. For cabinets, desks, drawers, and storage projects, this jig can save time and help the drawers move smoothly. Number 16. Kreg KHICDIJ Cabinet Door Mounting Jig. This tool is made to help install cabinet doors with better alignment. If you have ever tried holding a cabinet door in the perfect position while attaching the hinge, you know how annoying that job can be. This jig works like an extra hand, helping support the door while you line everything up. The micro adjustment shims help fine-tune the position, and it works with both left and right-hand doors. For kitchen cabinets, bathroom vanities, and furniture builds, this tool helps create cleaner gaps and a more professional finish. Number 15. Kreg Shelf Pin Jig 1/4 inch. This jig helps you drill clean and evenly spaced shelf pin holes. If you are building cabinets, bookcases, or storage units, adjustable shelves only look good when the holes are straight and consistent. The edge-aligned design helps you position the jig properly against the cabinet side, so the holes stay neat from top to bottom. It is compact, simple to use, and made for 1/4 inch shelf pin holes. For cabinet makers and DIY furniture builders, this is a small tool that can make a big visual difference. Number 14. Kreg Drawer Front Mounting Tool Pro Kit. This kit is designed to make drawer front installation easier and more accurate. One of the hardest parts of installing drawer fronts is keeping the gaps even across multiple drawers. This tool helps position the drawer front while you adjust the spacing and alignment. The steel design gives it a solid feel, while the anti-slip surface helps keep things from shifting during setup. For cabinets, built-ins, office furniture, and kitchen projects, this kit can help your drawer fronts look cleaner and more balanced. Number 13. Suizan Ryoba Double Edge Saw 9.5 inch. This Japanese pole saw is made for clean and controlled hand cuts. Unlike many Western saws that cut on the push stroke, this one cuts on the pull stroke. That usually means less force, better control, and a cleaner cut. The double edge design gives you two cutting options in one saw, which makes it useful for different woodworking tasks. The blade is made from Japanese steel, giving it a sharp and precise feel. For joinery, trim work, fine woodworking, and hand tool projects, this is a very useful saw to keep nearby. Number 12. Arbortech Contour Sander. This sanding attachment is made for curved and shaped surfaces. Regular sanders work well on flat boards, but they can struggle when the surface has curves, carved shapes, or deep profiles. This tool attaches to an angle grinder and uses a mini random orbit sanding motion to help smooth the surface more evenly. The flexible backing pad follows curves better than a flat sanding pad, and the extended shaft helps reach tighter areas. For wood carvers, sculptors, bowl makers, and creative woodworking projects, this can make sanding much easier. Number 11. Infinity Cutting Tools Coping Sled with Standard Toggle Clamps. This sled helps make router table and shaper table cuts safer and more controlled. It holds the workpiece securely while you make coping cuts, tenons, lap joints, and other end grain cuts. That extra control is important because small workpieces can be hard to guide safely by hand. The adjustable guide and toggle clamps help keep the stock steady through the cut. For cabinet doors, rail and style work, and repeatable joinery, this sled can improve both safety and accuracy. Number 10. Ultra Shear Spoilboard Surfacing Router Bit. This router bit is made for flattening, surfacing, and smoothing larger wood surfaces. It can be useful for spoilboard leveling, slab flattening, and light milling work. The 1.5 inch cutting diameter helps cover more surface area, while the 1/2 inch shank gives it a stable setup. The carbide inserts are replaceable and rotatable, so when one cutting edge gets dull, you can rotate the insert and keep working. For CNC users, slab workers, and woodworkers who need flatter surfaces, this bit is a practical shop tool. Number 9. OraTrack Clamps 2-pack. These clamps are made to hold guide rails and cutting tracks more securely. When you are cutting plywood or panels with a saw guide, even a small shift can ruin the cut. These clamps slide into compatible guide rail systems and help keep the track locked in place. The quick adjust design makes setup faster, while the non-marking feet help protect the surface of your material. For anyone using a circular saw guide system, these clamps can make cutting feel more stable and controlled. Number 8. Work IQ Tools 360-degree rotating bench vise. This bench vise is designed to give you more flexible workpiece positioning. The 360-degree rotation lets you turn the material to a better angle instead of constantly moving your body around the bench. That can be helpful for woodworking, repairs, pipe work, assembly, shaping, and general home improvement jobs. The jaw pads help hold different materials securely, while the rotating design makes the vise more versatile than a basic fixed model. For small shops, garages, and workbenches, this is a useful tool for holding parts steady. Number 7. Saker Chamfer Plane Woodworking Edge Corner Flattening Tool. This small chamfer plane is made for trimming and softening wood edges. It is useful when you want to remove sharp corners, create small bevels, or clean up edges without setting up a router. The adjustable cutting depth lets you control how much material you remove. It also includes support features that help guide the tool while you work. For quick edge work, small furniture projects, DIY repairs, and finishing details, this is a simple tool that can save time. Number 6. Door Mortise Lock Jig with Tungsten Steel Cutters. This jig is made to help install mortise door locks more accurately. Cutting a clean mortise by hand can be difficult, especially if you want the lock to sit straight and flush. This kit includes 18mm, 22mm, and 25mm tungsten steel cutters, giving you options for different lock sizes. The adjustable slides help keep the cut vertical, while the guide rail and anti-slip design help reduce movement during use. For carpenters, door installers, and home renovation projects, this jig can make lock installation cleaner and more controlled. Number 5. Track Saw Parallel Guide System. This system is designed for repeated, accurate panel cuts. If you are cutting cabinet parts, shelves, or furniture panels, repeatability matters a lot. Even a small measuring mistake can cause parts to come out uneven. This guide system helps you set consistent widths and repeat the same cut again and again. The micro-adjustable flip stop helps fine-tune measurements, and the zero-point calibration helps create a reliable starting reference. For cabinet making, plywood processing, and furniture building, this is a very useful accuracy tool. Number 4. Galax PRO 11AM P-Power Circular Saw. This corded circular saw is made for common cutting tasks in wood, plastic, tile, and soft metal. The 11MP motor delivers up to 6,000 RPM no-load speed, giving it enough power for many workshop and DIY jobs. It offers adjustable cutting depth with up to 2.5 inches at 90 degrees and 1 7/8 inches at 45 degrees. The bevel adjustment gives you more flexibility for angled cuts, and the dual safety switch helps reduce accidental starts. For DIY users and general carpentry work, this is a practical saw for everyday cutting needs. Number 3. Ezark 15-piece Countersink Drill Bit Set. This set is made for drilling, countersinking, and plug cutting in woodworking projects. It helps create cleaner screw holes, which is important when you want screws to sit flush or when you want to hide them with wood plugs. The set includes tapered drill bits, plug cutters, stop rings, screwdriver bits, an Allen key, and an extension bit shaft. The quick change 1/4-inch hex shank makes switching between bits easier during a project. For furniture building, shelves, cabinets, and clean screw installation, this set can help your work look more finished. Number 2. Imbut Edge Banding Trimmer. This trimmer is made for cleaning up edge banding after it is applied to panels. If you work with plywood, melamine, laminate, PVC, ABS, or veneer, trimming the extra edge banding cleanly is important for a smooth final look. The stainless steel blade helps trim, shave, deburr, and correct uneven edges. Its 3-in-1 design makes it useful for both straight and curved edges. For cabinet making, furniture repair, and panel finishing, this tool helps leave a cleaner edge without needing a complicated setup. Number 1. Yihua 939D7 Pyrography Wood Burning Pen Kit. We have a creative tool for wood burning, detailing, and decorative woodworking. This kit includes a detailer pen for fine lines and a solid point pen for shading larger areas. The adjustable temperature range gives you more control for different burning styles and materials. It also comes with multiple nibs, solid points, and wood pieces, so you can practice and create different designs. For wood artists, hobbyists, sign makers, and creative DIY users, this kit adds a completely different kind of detail to woodworking projects.